Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about types of human personality. Couch potato, a lazy person who watches TV too much. Egghead, a very studious and academic person. Big cheese, a powerful and influential person. Tough cookie, a strong and very determined person. Cold fish, a person lacking emotion, a heartless individual. Chatterbox, a person who talks a lot, excessively talkative person. Nerd, a person who is intellectual, has an obsessive interest in something. Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.